my other daughter, because as you see, all of my rest of kids them they here. And you see me, thank you, baby. You see, everybody take a set for my other rest of kids them. I don't want she get end up in that because she you get me? I know me grow her. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but I love her like any one of my kids them, you get me? But as what I said, right? One time I there, my have family Limstead. Me have family at Limstead. You understand? But that's what I do. I run away from Limstead because I'm a cousin. Yes, what I say, because my stepmother never did want me her yard. So my stepmother turned to my father and told my father say she don't want me there. So when them came me go Limstead now, my father didn't look somewhere for let me off. My father didn't look some family member for keep me. But in came me go Limstead now, I just know my cousin now, you get what I say, they not trouble me. And end up that's them beat me when me tell them. You understand? And when me tell my auntie, my cousin, when me tell my auntie what my cousin do, my auntie beat me. You understand me with a place, a floor cloth. It's a floor cloth my auntie take up off of the ground with some big fat button in it and start give me some fuck lick. You understand? Wheel up your whole of my kin. Right? So when me see that now, I so comes me run away and come back at Ochi. You understand? When me run away and come back at Ochi now, and my stepmother realized say me come back. My stepmother said, what me I do ya? You understand me? That was the word that come out of my stepmother mouth, what me I do ya? You see? So for sure say my stepmother never did want me did, and I was a little child. I was a little child. You understand? But knowing that say she don't really love me. But I remember one day, you know, me did me clean the bathroom. You know, me I scout the bathroom with the brush and so forth. And I turn on and I look on her and I say, my vagina. Like every night, I have to sit down up and protect my vagina. You get what I say? More while I sit down up and I sleep. I wrap up my look of foot. You understand? So, when me live that the type of life there, I realize where I go on with me. That's how I run me and go up on the streets. And I like me did one for day out there. You get what I say, I run me and go up on the street because I want to go through when I'm younger. You understand? I'm not lie to you. I find the street even more better off. Like no joke. Yeah, I do it on YouTube. You see? So it's just looking back on everything growing my child, and when time I grew up my youth, them people say me wicked to me youth them. You know, I could have never wicked to me pitney them. Because you see when me go through in a life, mother never wanted fall back on my kids them. Mother never wanted fall back on my kids them, me I tell her that. You understand? So when me look for here, some people talk some thing about Annie this and Annie that we are pitney them. Yo, me everything is a joke. Because when me go through when me young, I would never ever wish it, not even for my neighbor. Not even for my neighbor, me no wish that pan. You understand me? And here me grew up rough. I grew up very rough. And maybe that's why I don't have no trust to people. That trust there, it not come easy around people because I grew up on the street. You see me? Because me used to sleep at market. You get what I say? Me used to sleep in at the market when the people then pack up them clothes. I go there and I fix up one little bed and go up underneath the chop all in and sleep. And it did peaceful. It did peaceful more than there your yard. No who go come in your room or come up underneath your sheet. It was so peaceful for me. You understand me? So me no regret that none tall. And that's the reason when time I pitney them I grew up and them say certain things to me. I try to listen to them carefully what they must say. I try to listen to them carefully what they're saying. You see? Right? Because right now, look funny. My mother passed off. My mother did left 9 pitney. 9 pitney my mother did left. Right? I have brother and sister here in a Jamaica overseas all about. And one sister me did get for know. One sister, one dege sister me did get for know. And I don't know if she they are foreign now. I don't know if she they are foreign, but I did get the chance to know one of my sister them from my mother's side. You understand? And I lose contact with them and I never get no chance to contact back with them. By the way, I no contact back with them none at all. I just move on with my life. You see me? You know? My life that. Is your brother alive? Yeah, I have one brother alive. I have one brother who live overseas. He link me on Instagram. Alright, I have my brother from my mother's side, right? I have my brother from my right mother's side named Andrew. I have a brother named Andrew, right? From my right mother's side. My father. Yeah, my father alive. My father is alive, of course. That's my father is alive, man. Father is alive, but we never see eye to eye. We never see eye to eye again because when they talk about my brother on social media and my stepmother, where everybody did eat me because I come out and I talk certain things. But when time I get look when everything come together and the family meeting, them did not try to say my brother 16-year-old when him do that, so me should have forgive him. So this no me did really vex with my father. I really vex with my father because the words will come out of my mouth, me I say, wow, you shouldn't say that because not because I'm a 16-year-old, you're gonna say me should have forgive him. So this no cause I look a wedge betwixt me and my father, but my father's still alive and I love my father. Yeah. For real. I love my father, I'm not girl, no. Maybe to spend the time with we will go through certain things with him and so forth. Since we get more bigger, I kind of realize that my father they didn't love with my stepmother, so I do anything what my stepmother say. So when I get more older now, you can understand 16 is old enough to know right from wrong. And that's the reason why I'm vexed with my father and my family, because when them are justified for saying I'm 16 years old, yes, what me I say, them I try to make it look like I'm wrong enough. You understand, like I'm wrong. But at the end of the day, you're 16 years old, you're supposed to know right from wrong. And you're supposed to protect me. You understand? So I did vex with my father because I never liked that when I say out I'm out. You know? But growing up now and I get older, I love my father, you know what I say? And I'm not going to stop loving him. I just wish better choice did make so I did have a better life when I younger. No, he never yet tell me he's sorry. My brother never told me that he's sorry. Even my uncle that I'm a stepmother brother. That I'm a stepmother brother. You see me? Him did one of the worstest one in the house. You see me? And him never ever said he's sorry. You see it? And that's why I'm glad to left the community, because none of them never look and say they're sorry about what them do, sorry for the trauma where you go through. No. You see me? And one of the things when I have up in my heart, you see me? I can't forgive, but I never forget. Because my stepmother did know say my uncle or brother trouble me. My stepmother did know that. And she hid it from my father. You understand what I say? Right? So, I can't forgive that part there. Because you're an adult. You're an adult, right? And you see your own brother trouble your stepdaughter. You see me? What you have to do is to protect your stepdaughter and run with your brother. You see it? But them never did tell my father nothing. So when I reach look a bit older, and that's now I go tell my father, and my father now started to figure out, said, yes, he might come in at the house at night time and trouble me. Yes, what I say. But yet still, because he love his woman that I'm a stepmother, yes, what I say, him do anything what my stepmother say. You understand? Because some of the time when I see some little young girl, you know, I want to see them run away from the home, you know. And you don't need to question them. I now go around you. For me, enough of the time when I see some little pitney run away from them home and so, I feel like I have to talk to them and question them. You see me? Because me run away because of what I got through. Me run away because me no want to see my same family member them come and trouble me. So I run away and I take it to the streets. Book up on some bad girl and start par with them. You see me? I start thief. You understand what I say? I start going to people's store at night time. I start follow my friend them and thief to survive on the street. I never did want to go back home. You see? Because one at the time, my brother come find me. My brother come find me. You see me? I run where I did down a Duns River. Down a Duns River me dey. You see me, I hide out in a people's house. And I'm surprised to see my own brother ride up bike and find me. My father never come find me. Him come find me. And when him come find me, it's just like I swallow everything, like everything in me just got my belly bottom. You see it? And next thing grab me and thump me straight in my face. Boom! One fist in my mouth. Me get. You see me? And when he fist me in my face now, he take me and throw me upon him bike back. And ride off with me, all of my face blood up. You see it? That time my heart a beat, my heart a beat, my heart a beat, my heart a beat, my heart a beat. All of my face blood up, you see me? And next thing, carry me back home. And everybody jump up. Yeah, see them find her, see her, yeah. You see me? When me in my home, one time me younger, is like my sister, baby, because she, I don't know, she did young, but she grew big now. Alright, she's a woman now. So everybody maybe change. But when me I grew up, it's like my sister used to always call me some dirty name. Bitch, whore, you look just like your mother. You know what I say? Dirty girl, you know? But she did always treat me bad. Really bad. So it's one time my brother carry me back home. I not lie to you, I did wish at that time I just disappear. You know what I say? I did wish I just disappear in a teeny here. I remember one time a little bit, I sit down on the ground a ball for turning a one mermaid. that can't come out of my head. When I a little girl, I sit down on the ground and I a ball for turning a mermaid. You hear me I tell you? Just because I just want to disappear. You get me? Yeah, but nobody would not understand the feelings there. You're young, you're kind of stupid, but you just want to turn a mermaid, you just want to fly where you turn a bird. You understand me? But going back into the same house now, when I step by that, my brother bring me back into the same house. Me know what they not going to happen to me. You understand what I say? Me know what come towards me. And no matter when I tell them, say, listen to me, this person a trouble me, nobody never want to hear me. And I look here, so I'm look pound right now. And I tell you who used to trouble me. I bet you no so say a lie, me I tell. I bet you no any money. I'm there so right now as a big man. I said to you, who used to trouble me. That's the reason why I did dip on the street. And I go say, Annie, liar tell. You understand? And many times when I get older, people say to me, say, me talk to a counselor. No, my father never trouble me. My father never trouble me. I feel like say my father did supposed to protect me. I feel like my father did supposed to protect me because my father married to my mother. You see me? My father married to my mother. So my father did supposed to protect me. You understand? No, listen. Just watch me on. I want you to listen carefully. My father never have sex with me yet. My daddy never have sex with me. He just never protect me. My brother, and that's my bigger brother. You understand me? My uncle, that's my stepmother, brother. You understand what I say? My sister husband. My sister husband. And me get beaten for that. Me get beaten for that. All my sister beat me up. You see me? You understand? My cousin will come from Bembo. And him are the only man my father did beat up for me. Him are the only person my father did beat up for me. And how my father beat him up is because my father catch him. You see me? My father catch him red-handed. I go in my room. And he come like say, he get to my father head because I always attack and nobody now listen to me. You understand me? Say, oh, it's full. You understand me? So, when him a go in the room now, my father end up lay with him and catch him. And at this now, my father grab him and drop him up, jape him up so. And cut him some blur knot box. You see me? And my father tell him to pack up and left the yard. No. He may say, only Smaddy get catch. But the rest of them, my stepmother take up for your brother. My stepmother take up for your son. You understand me? My sister beat me up for her husband. And say I lie me I tell upon her husband. You understand? So nobody never believe me. You get what I say? And it was very hard growing up because when I dey at school, I can't focus. I can't focus none at all. You see it? But you see the one somebody who did believe me in the house, it was my grandfather named Mas Arthur. My grandfather was named Mas Arthur. My grandfather blind, but my grandfather can't hear. So you see when they touching at the middle of the night, my grandfather hear the movements where them a come through the window and come in at the house. So my grandfather did know, and my grandfather believe me. All when nobody now believe me, my grandfather believe me. But you see, when me can't take it no more, me just run away and me go sleep in a market. Me just go in a market and sleep, you know. Wait till the people them sell them clothes and pack up them chapalin. Me just go up underneath the chapalin and sleep. You understand? And this so now, I started to get more bad. I start get bad. Because I start link up with some girls where they on the street, where run away to, and them thief. So, what them a do, me a do for survive too. You understand what I say? When them a thief, me a thief with them too. You understand what I say? More while with their club when some look a short up clothes and them something there underage. You understand me? When them a rob man, me a rob man too. Because me have to survive. And the same friend them when me go rob man with, then turn back around and rob me. Because the friend them can't me go rob man, you know. And them teach you how to make a man them drop them pants and push up here underneath the bed. You know what I say? So we thief out the money out of man them pocket. You get me? But the same friend turn around and rob me when me asleep. You understand? So a dog eat dog. So I grew up rough. I grew up rough and it not easy to get over. You know what I say? It's not easy to get, and that's the reason why I say I think Anna can balance herself, because when me go through in her life, she not go through half of when me go through. She not go through the half of when me go through. Me I tell her that. She not go through nothing. You understand what I say? So I know so she must can balance herself and put herself together. Because I don't know if no ladies here so can talk when a man or a cousin or a uncle, anybody who molests you. You rub your skin for days when you remember. You know, a lot of people curse people and tell them, well, who them fuck you? Your daddy fuck you, your uncle fuck you, go. Them not know where you got through in your mind. If you don't have a strong mind, you can't lose all yourself. You see me? You don't know how it feel when a person has scrubbed them skin for days like a peel. You want to peel off your own skin off of you. When you remember what this person do to you. And that's the reason why I'm not no killing a teeth with nobody when them talk about when molestation. I'm not killing a teeth with nobody when you come amongst that and I use that as a weapon against a person. I'm not playing that game because me walking at that shoes. Remember days me there at school and me want to tell my teacher straight up, what go on with me. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I want to talk to my teacher. I want slackness. Whole heap of parents keep up with whole heap of slackness. You understand me? Because watch this. You know me know say the apartheid my father did know say me I get molest. But you see because my father a cheater and my father have woman for my stepmother, people have to keep him secret. So he know say me did not get molest. But he never want to him secret for bust out. Cause watch this now. You see, this guy when you adopt, me now go call him name, me adopt this guy, right? And him and the guy drive round on the road and go round and do business together. You understand? And you see the same guy when you adopt, no say him a cheat for my stepmother. No say him have whole heap of woman. And you know say one day when me I come from school, the same guy drive down and tell me say my father say if he pick me up. So my father said if he pick me up. I'm going in a car because he's my family. You know what I say? I sit down in a car with him. And he started to drive me go, where you call that place? Firm Gully? A Firm Gully you call it so? Yeah, he started to drive me a Firm Gully side. You know? So instead of meet him, I go meet my father. You see me? I'm sit down in the car and he give me juice to drink and me drink it. And he say me, I think he tell me to come at the front seat. You see me? Right? And I got the front seat and sit down with him. And he might drive me go straight up towards Spanish Town side. So not until he turn off the car and go in a one bush with me. You understand? And when he go off in the bush now, so now everything take place. You get what I say? Right? And when he done, he tell me, say, me fi joke back my clothes. And I just joke back my clothes. Right? I used to one time, he go back in the car, he put me back at the back seat now of the car. And he drive the car, go straight to fucking Kingston. Go meet my father. My father did there one factory. You see me? Right? My father did there one factory. Then they buy juice at the factory for sell back in at the shop. Right? So I go meet my father. So when my father see me come out of the car, my father frightened. My father say, what she a do ya? What she a doing at the car? My father frightened. Right? And you know what my father do? My father take him away. Car on one side and I could hear my father cuss with him. You see me? I could hear my father argue with him. You understand what I say? I went out, we done, he tell me, say, if I go in the car and then pack up the car, be a juice. Be a juice. I'm just sitting in the car and I look so. Right? And at that time, I could have tell my father know something. Because him know what my father do. You understand what I say? So him do what I do because I know my father can't talk. And so when I come home, he does polish off. He not said to nobody. Nobody at all it not said to. It just left in my brains. So you know, so when me did I grow up now, right? Little bit at the age of 13, I grew up now, right? Me uncle see the same guy I come buy panty come give me. He would just come at the yard and he just give me one bag with beer panty, G-string, some sexy cutting type of panty. You know what I say? He just come and he just give me money, he just give me panty. You understand me? Right? And my sister, my bigger sister, would have see panty them and say to me, say, what make him a give them type of panty and your little girl? You get what I say? She always a question and say, what make you always a give them type of panty and she a little girl? You understand? But nobody at the yard no say nothing. Nobody at the yard no say nothing to me. You see me? So I run away until I reach certain age. I run away till I reach certain age. You know what I say? Because the street does it feel better after me. The street feels safe. You know? The street feel more safer to me. So I run where I got different people yard. Sometimes I buck up on good family. I buck up on good mothers. And all I have to do is help them wash a plate. Help them clean up their house. Did it with their family and then cook and give me. And I find love. I find love from different family. I freak out about. Yeah, I find love from different family. Till me don't even did one left them yard because I just love them off and how they treat me and nobody not trouble me today. So that's what I say. And that's the reason I always rate people who come from the streets. Because the street help me. But otherwise, as I say, I love my father. I'm not going to stop loving him. I wish him to do things. I'm so sorry. You know, we just a reason, man. A life, you know. A life. But I still love my father. Like, growing up now, I feel like him feel me upon that the hand because him did marry to my mother. Him married to my mother, you know. So him did supposed to protect me. Am I right? Right? But now growing up now, I may have my kids them, I may have health to go through. Maybe that's why I can't let go, because I think it hard to let go for my kids. You see me? Like, no joke. I think it's so freaking hard to let go for my kids them. And when me hear people say certain things about me, it hit me like 1,000 lightning bolt because I try to do everything to protect them because I don't want them to go through the same thing. But, you know, there's only such way you can do. You understand what I say? There's only such way you can do. You know? So that's the reason why I always say I wish if Anna can pull herself together because she not really go through the things that me go through. And I know I protect her to a level where I know that she not go through abuse. I know that she not go through abuse. You know what I say? Maybe one time I did gone, you know, when she get look big and I did gone go hustle for them, whatever, but I know she can't catch herself. Never give up, Annie. I won't. I will never give up. That not in my book. That not in my book for give up. That not in my book, none at all for give up. I don't have that in my book. I will never give up, baby. Yeah, how old is your dad now? My dad is in, my father in I'm 60. My father in I'm 60. Thank you, baby. My father in I'm 60 right now. My father a big man now, man. Father in I'm 60s. 60s. Long time I don't see him. Long time I don't see my father. Mika! Thank you, baby. Jamie and I foolish with you right now. Dead serious. I'm still one here. Okay, he's still one. I don't know about that because when me get older, I travel go overseas to go see my stepmom. But when I go over there, my stepmother box me in my face. You get what I say? Right? Hold on, babe. I go upset you. Right? I go upset you. Don't take down your request. When I'm older, I indeed really in love with her because I'm childhood love that. That I'm childhood love. You know what I say? But listen, my father did go cheat on my stepmother with my mother. You understand? So my father cheat on my stepmother with my mother. Next, my father left my stepmother and got married to my mother. You get me? Next, he left my mother and go back to my stepmother. You get me? Next, my mother get mad out and she couldn't keep me. So my mother threw me away. My mother never give me away. My mother just left me on the ground. You see me? Right? Queen, bless up yourself, baby. Thank you. So my mother left me now. You understand me? My father got a court and fight custody and get me back. So when he fight custody and get me now, he carry me round my stepmother. Now remember, say my stepmother never get the ring. So my stepmother for all of them time that my stepmother take it out on me. You understand? Yeah. So when me grew up now, turn like a big woman now. Where is your mom now? My mother pass off. My mother pass off now. Star, thank you, baby. Queen, bless up yourself, babe. My mother pass off now, baby. You understand me? If you never know, when me come on TikTok, it was my mother me come on TikTok first go look for. Yeah. So your stepmom. Yeah, my stepmom. So when me come on TikTok, you know, the first time I come on TikTok, it was my mother me I look for. Yeah, when she passed off now, me start use her name. See her name here? My mother name Annie. And my mother that me keep on telling say my mommy name wanna call me. Everyone I wanna call me my mommy name. Me no name Annie, me name Tamika. But my stepmommy now, and my mother now name Annie. Because she passed off and I never get to have a band with her and so I just start use her name. But when me get older now, when me turn big woman, me go overseas to go see my stepmother. You see me? So me think say like she would have grew up, everybody would have grew up and move on. You understand what I say? But when me go overseas now and me did it with her, it's like she still show me the same hatred. She still not pass over things. She always keep it up. You get what I say? And there's one time now my sister and one woman a fight. And me go in there go help my sister in the fight. And instead of she rough up my sister and tell my sister say she wrong, she just turn around and box me down. She just turn around and box me down. So my one sister turn around and start cuss her and tell her so if stop treatment so me a big woman now. You see me? So my sister say she a big woman now, stop do her. So you understand what I say, right? You a big woman, if you grow past them something here, why you go box the woman in her face? But I realize that she just not like me. You get what I say? So you know, but just never go back where she is. Never ever in her life I would go back where she is. Yeah. Well on babe. Happy to. Hi baby.
Hey, how are you? Can you hear me?
I'm good.
I'm
Yeah, I can
driving.
hear you.
Okay, but I'm just listening to your story while I'm driving 7 hours to another location. But have you ever wondered that if anyone Anna was ever molested? Because she behaved like she was molested and she was dealing with some of the same stuff that you dealt with when you were younger.
I heard she said it. I heard she say it before. But because she always come back around and say a lie, me never can know how truth it is.
I think you need to look into that because she just behaved like somebody that was molested and that she cannot, that's the trauma that she's dealing with and she can't get over it.
Okay.
And she's making these wrong choices with Ryan and choosing him, like, you know, making wrong decisions.
Okay. Well, as what me said, she always come back and say a lie, nothing at all, no go so I can't, me not see it. You understand me? I always listen to her what she said. You get me? So
that's right. Maybe the time when you were overseas, maybe it happened and you don't know about it, and you just haven't accepted. She's just dealing with. I think she has a lot of monsters that she's dealing with, and she can't get over it. You know?
All right. Me understand.
Yeah, look into that. Investigate some more. Because she feels like she was molested.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Well, take care of yourself, man.
All right, baby. I don't know if we take you down because me can't see it.
I don't know how to do it. Okay.
Sky, somebody can help with? All right. Listen. Right? Me not gonna take up for nobody. I want to listen to me clearly. Right? When Anna did younger, I did run the cook shop. Right? The other time that Anna used to help me in the restaurant. Right? Them time that she did younger. She looked at me and tell me, say, my brother asked her to wash the plates. You understand me? And she said afterwards, no, my brother turned around and kissed her. No, my war with my whole family. My war with my own family. My family cut me off. You understand me? Because when I hear that, I attack my brother. You understand? Right? No, I want to listen. When time I did go away and them a take care of each other, so I could have earned money to take care of them. You understand me? Right? She tell me said somebody rape her. You get me? But when me go figure lock up close that down for me good. When me go figure lock up the person, she see him one turn back and tell me, no, not she. The guy, right? Yeah, lock up a gun. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Turn up the fan. Yeah. So the guy turned back and tell me, say, what really happened betwixt the both of them. You understand me? Next, when our brother find out now, we find out said she do it willingly, but because the boy no want to be her boyfriend. Now, this molesting thing what she got through, she come to me and she say her brother trouble her. She come back around and she say Daniel tell her if say it. You understand what I say? So there is not a time when time Anna really sit down and speak the truth where you can believe her. You get what I say? Right? Because the last time when she said somebody molest her, right, her brother, she come back and she say Daniel tell her if say so. So when can I believe her? How? Because you not stay upon one story. You understand what I say? She tell lie upon people already nearly put me in a trouble. So how can I? You see me? So maybe she need a counselor. Like somebody, a therapist. You know that therapist, if it get her settled down and make she speak her truth. Maybe she need that. Maybe she need that. You get what I say? Right? Because I cannot say when a person go back and said, okay, then I lie them I tell. Right? And you see a lot of you don't have to look funny, you know. Because boom, she tell me as a mother say, John Tam rape her. Me jump up and me go for John Tam. Next me I go lock up John Tam. And by later on she say, I lie. Nothing ain't go so. So what go happen to John Tam? John Tam I go to prison. You get me? John Tam I go to prison. And when John Tam go to prison, you go figure out say I lie, them I tell, she I tell. You get me? I wouldn't want to send an innocent man go to prison. When somebody molest me, they molest me. Me I sit down and me I talk the truth. Me I tell you the, and from it happen, you not gonna go back on it. You see me? Oh, grape. Sorry, grape. You understand me? So if she did stick by her words, more understand her. But she always go back and say a lie. Nothing no go so. So how can I know? You understand? When she did the upper Cynthia them, right? You did hear when she did live up a Cynthia, we talk about that, right? When she did live up a Cynthia, one lady will love her and I take care and spend good money on her. Because I couldn't take care of all of them. I'm not lie to you. And this lady named, by the way, I'm top call her name, help me and take her. Right? And afterwards now, she come and she started to say the same woman will help her and take care of her. Say her man want to grape her. You understand what I say? I say the man draw down in clothes and show him underpants. So how can I end up know if it is true or not? And when time I joke with people them know and make them know what go on, she take it back and say a lie, no go so. So tell me now, how? Let me drop some of this here, because I don't know this I come on me so you have to understand. I don't know. Yeah, buy one for me too. Me no know. I go come off for that. Yeah, we could just come off for it. Anything she got through, maybe she just need a counsel. Maybe she just need a counsel. Maybe for me and her brains different, or my brain set up different. Because me no get no counsel. You see what I say? Right? Pops, what's up, baby? Alright? Right, so maybe she need a counsel. You know what I say? And so she can go through a little therapy session. You know what I say? No, mom, a good man. Love you, babe. Hey, Pops, thank you, baby. Love you too. You know, come on live. You done rank? Who not get free food? No, who I give her free food? Me know you're rich. Me know you're rich. We not rich like you. You got a rebel party? You got a rebel party? Yeah. Alright then. Alright. Wait a sec, guys. No, you blurry out your thing. Some people on another behave like it's here. I cannot say. I cannot say. You get what I say? Cause watch this now. Right? Me would have want somebody did it for me at the end of the day. I would love somebody be there for me. Say so when me younger, me pinch somebody and me tell them what me I got through. A lot of people never believe me. You understand me? So if she end up I got through that, all she need to do is pin somebody and did like talk to the person. She need to talk to someone. I would believe her. You see me? But maybe she just need to talk to somebody if she got through that the mental part there. She need to speak to someone. You get what I say? Right? But otherwise, it is what it is what it is. You have to just muster up your courage. Let me tell you something. You see when you have health and strength, and you have life, you know, move on.